Welcome to the Music Theory Centre. This is Lesson 2 of the Grade 1 series. If you haven't completed Lesson 1 yet, we introduce the topic of music theory and the notes. This lesson will start to show how the notes create music. This content follows our Grade 1 Music Theory workbook. The book teaches the same material but also includes practice questions and graphics, which will be easy to find and reference whenever you want. If you're interested, you can get a digital version on our website, musictheorycentre.com. or a physical book is available worldwide on Amazon. This video will cover bars, time signatures, and the beat. 1. Bars. To neatly write music, the stave is split into groups of notes. In Grade 1, this will either be groups of 2, 3, or 4 crotchets. These groups are called bars, or measures in the US, and they are separated by the bar line. The bars reflect the rhythm of the music and will make a huge difference to how the music will sound and be written. The first beat of each bar is felt stronger. This creates a kind of pulse, which is how we feel the rhythm. Listen to this example and see if you can feel this pulse. The way in which the music is divided, or the number of beats per bar, is defined by the time signature. We will see this next. 2. Time signatures. Time signatures show the rhythm structure in the music. There are different ways music can be written to create different rhythms. For Grade 1, there are 3 time signatures you need to know. These are called 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. The top number shows how many beats there will be per bar, 2, 3, or 4. And the bottom number shows which kind of beat. In this case, they are all crotchets, or quarter notes. There can be different notes on the bottom, but we won't need those for Grade 1. So a 4/4 time signature means that each bar has the value of 4 quarter notes or crotchets. This doesn't mean you have to use quarter notes. You can use any notes which add up to the equivalent value, and we're going to look at this in the next lesson. 3. The beat. The beat is like a background grid which the rhythm follows. You can often feel the beat when you listen to music. The music won't necessarily play the beat, but it's an invisible structure the music is following. Listen to this rhythm and watch how it's following the beat. Here is how the beat would be displayed for each time signature. This will start to make sense as we learn more about how this works in the next section. As you can see, the time signature of 4/4 has the value of 4 quarter note or crotchet beats per bar. The time signature 3/4 has 3 and 2/4 has 2. The music doesn't have to play 4 quarter notes in every bar. You can use any notes with equivalent values, but they will be grouped to follow this beat. We're going to look at this in the next section. 4/4 is the most common time signature. It's also called common time and sometimes represented by this symbol. This is an old symbol that's still in use sometimes today. It's not a letter C. That's it for today. This will make more sense as we bring it together with other topics. The next lesson will show how we use the notes from Lesson 1 within the time signatures we have just seen. And this will form how we create rhythm and write it in music. Remember to check out our website if you want more music theory at musictheorycentre.com. Thanks for watching and keep creating music.